Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I'm glad you're tuning into this video because this video is how to check your email. We're in a pandemic right now. We're doing remote learning at least 3 days a week. We've got kids coming in 2 days a week and then remote learning 3 days a week. And then we've got a lot of people doing all remote learning where they're at home all the time. And I'm getting comments from kids that are here. I don't know how to check my email. What's an email? I don't know where my email is. Every time I post something to Google Classroom, you get an email about it. Anytime you're missing something, you'll get an email about it, okay? I may email people day to day on stuff about, hey, don't forget to turn this in, or make sure you make this up, or whatever. And I'm getting comments about, we don't know how to check our email. So today, I'm going to show you how to check your email. So I'm at Google. Obviously, I want to sign in. Click the sign in button. This is my student account. I'm going to click on that. Let's see. My password is, I think this. Aha, it is. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm here. I'm in Google. Now, if I look right up here at the top right-hand corner, it says Gmail. Oh my goodness! Maybe I should click on that. It took me to my email. That's awesome. Now look, on this, I got rid of all my junk and everything except for 2 emails because I wanted to show you guys that every time I post something to Google Classroom, you get an email about it. So today in my class, we did. You guys have been in my class. Saw this today. Do manners matter? You guys are doing remote learning. You're seeing that online, but it gives you the instructions, and you can click open, and it takes me to Google Classroom. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Hot dog, diggity dog gets a brand new day. What you waiting for? So every time I post something, it shows up in your email. If you're not checking your email, you're not seeing that stuff. If you're not checking Google Classroom, you're not seeing that stuff. So make sure you check Google Classroom twice a day and your email twice a day, just to make sure you don't miss anything. Now, that was the easy way to do it. So let me show you another way you can get to your email. So I'm back at the Google screen. How do I get to my email? I wonder how loud myself. Right there's the Gmail link, but I can also click on this thing. It looks like a grid. Look at that. Now, all these are apps that I have connected to my Google account. One of them is, well, I'll be darned, it's the Gmail. So I'm going to click on that. Oh my goodness, there it goes again. I'm back in my email. Whoa, that's awesome. So, that's amazing. And from here, I can also go to Google Classroom. Whoa, look at that. Oh, so make sure you're checking your email every day. Like I said, this is neat because all the apps that connected to your Google account. Hey, there's a Google Calendar. Every time I put a due date in Google Calendar, it shows up on your calendar. Wow! So right here I can see I've got 2 stuff due to on Friday from Mr. Bean. Oh snap! So make sure you're checking that. Okay? Make sure you're checking your email. Make sure you're checking your classroom, your calendar. All these things will help you out. But definitely be checking your email because every time I send something to you, you get an email about it. I'm tired of hearing kids saying, I didn't see the email that you sent me. Check your email, okay? Check it. If you need help checking it, holler at me. Send me an email. Oh, get it. Can't check it unless you check your email. Oh, somebody's coming in while I'm recording this. That's okay. It's just Miss Benitez. I'm going to say goodbye. So someone up here road, now you know how to check your email. Say hi, Miss Benitez.
Hello.
She doesn't care about y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.